Hello, it's Morgan. Welcome back to my channel as I relaunch it. Today we're going to learn how to do a chain stitch. It's the most important foundation in learning how to do crochet. I have here my boy crochet hook in a size I. Sorry about the lighting. Until I get a better lamp, we're using overhead and a little bit of candlelight on the side. And then just some yarn I have lying around. It's probably Red Heart or something of the like. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a slip knot, and do that we're going to make a loop, and then we're going to take the edge around, pull it underneath, and pull that up and let it make a knot that isn't really a knot, and we slide it up onto our hook and pull it. Oh, come on, you can do this. Pull it until it's tight. Okay, now to make the chain stitch, you're going to hold the loose end, and then this is your working end of the yarn, and you're simply going to put the yarn over your hook and then pull it through. You don't want to pull it tight. You want to make sure that the loop continues to slide on the needle hook. Then you do again, pull over the hook and through. This is like I said, the foundation of everything you'll do. Most patterns have you start with a chain stitch to build off of, although there are foundation stitches you can do without the chain, but you'll still use the chain for turning, making spaces, and a lot of other things. That's really as much as it is to do the chain stitch. Just yarn over and pull through the loop. And as long as you keep your stitches the same size as your hook, then the stitches will stay consistent and they will continue to look even when you're all done. And from here, then you can start doing any other stitch you want, but I will save that for another video. Thank you.